Hey guys, this is Dane from Backcountry Access. I'm going to walk you through how to remove the 2.0 airbag system, including your cylinder. First thing you want to do is open up the pack and get into the airbag compartment. Best way to do that is always to just rip from the rip zipper here. Come apart nice and easily. I'm going to pull out the airbag. The first order of business is removing the cylinder. So take this orange safety gauge off, remove the velcro strap, and unzip the bottle from the pouch there. Just pull back on this collar in order to get that to release from the ejector. And now I'm just unscrewing the trigger mechanism. Now we just have some connections here where the airbag is connected to the actual pack itself. They are kind of marked there, and it takes a little bit of elbow grease to get these off, but just with a little bit of time, you're basically doing the same thing over and over. And then you just kind of have to guide the side of the hooks through the webbing loops. Best way to do that is to move the piece over as far as you can, and then just kind of at an angle should be able to unhook the airbag pretty easily. Next, we're going to install the airbag back into the pack, and this is going to be something that you really want to double check, make sure that you do correctly. You kind of take mental notes while you undid the pack. You're going to be hooking it back up the same way that you uninstalled it. So first move is your trigger needs to go under the ejector. Get that strapped in nicely, and now we're just going to be working around the sides of the bag and getting this hook set up into the webbing loops there. So probably a good idea to start from the middle where you have the most slack. Start here by getting that piece through the webbing loop, pulling it to the side. Then you really just kind of have to wiggle it around, put a little force down on the corner there, and then you can have that piece now nice and secure. Move on to the third one here. Again, just put that through the loop. Push down, get that secured in there. Now we'll move along to the sides. You obviously want to make sure that that it's facing the correct way. So you want to have the valve and the vacuum side of the venturi system facing on the same side of the airbag compartment as the pouch for your cylinder.